In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your notes and move it to a folder. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys. Let's begin, and once you created a note, you can hold down on that note to bring up that options. And here you can hit at Move. Now there you can select Folder. I got no folders here, so I'll top at New Folder. And now I'll enter name to that folder and hit on Save. So now I have just moved the note to another folder. I can hit there at Folders where it will be. Folders that created by default, like Notes and all iCloud. And here is a test folder that I have just created. And I can simply move between I can open up any folder in any time that I want. And that's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.